V12 is proud to present V12 Network, companion product to the V12 Provider Data Engine, and flagship application of the V12 Provider Lifecycle Management Suite of products. Incepted in 2014, V12 Network remains an industry-leading provider lifecycle management application built on the Salesforce platform. Using a modularized approach, V12 Network offers something for everyone working on the provider lifecycle continuum. From initial network development, contracting, credentialing, and ongoing network operations, the V12 Network application serves as your provider command center, ensuring you are able to effectively scale new networks and maintain your existing networks at the highest level. With deep roots in both the provider and payer business models, the V12 Network application has evolved to support a variety of healthcare organizations. From clinically integrated networks to managed care organizations, to TPAs and direct-to-employer health plans, to specialty network providers and post-acute care organizations, the V12 Network application is tailored to fit your business model. At the core of the V12 Network application is the Provider Data Management and Directory module. The V12 Network data model serves as the centralized repository for provider data and acts as a catalyst for all other provider workflows to occur. Built to withstand the most complex healthcare business models, the V12 Network data model is the evolution of a decade of focused research and development, battle-tested with the largest payers and providers in the U.S. From storing basic provider demographic information, to maintaining various practice locations by provider and by network, to tracking multiple specialty and taxonomy combinations, V12 Network has you covered. And exporting provider data is a seamless experience as well. V12 Network adheres to CMS FHIR data standards for outbound extract capabilities with directory applications. Considered some of the most daunting tasks on the provider journey, network enrollment and credentialing workflows can challenge the most experienced healthcare organizations. At V12, we embrace the most tedious areas of provider workflow minutiae, offering pre-built enrollment and credentialing workflow automation, covering the most complicated healthcare business models. So, whether you are a health plan actively building a new network with specific enrollment, credentialing guidelines, a provider operating in a delegated model, or something in between, V12 Network has you covered. But that's not all. V12 has established strategic partnerships with leading provider data verification organizations like CMS NPES and CAQH to assist with provider enrollment process. Additionally, V12 Network offers pre-built CVO interfaces to industry-leading credentialing service providers. Part and parcel with enrollment and credentialing is the provider contracting process. An efficient provider contracting workflow can not only speed up the overall provider onboarding process, it can help boost provider CSAT and NPS metrics. V12 Network takes all of these scenarios into consideration and makes provider contracting a breeze by offering pre-built payer and provider contracting workflows. And let's not forget about fee schedule management. The V12 Network application offers industry-leading rate management configurations covering the most popular pricing methodologies such as traditional fee-for-service, Medicare and Medicaid, HCPCS and DRG codes, as well as more advanced models such as value-based care and capitation. There is no argument that provider data management, enrollment, credentialing, and contracting all play a significant role in the provider lifecycle journey. But what about post-provider activation workflows? The V12 Network application takes network operations workflows into consideration and specifically addresses the needs of provider networks. Popular functionality in this module includes provider roster processing to track demographic updates, as well as managing mass provider termination changes. The result? A seamless experience for both providers and network operations team members. At V12, we believe in the power of partnership. Our product development team works diligently to evaluate best-in-class third-party applications to complement our provider lifecycle management solutions. The result of these efforts directly influence our product roadmap and help make some of our most popular pre-built integrations a reality. These pre-built integrations allow quicker time to value and reduce swivel chairing between key third-party applications used throughout the provider lifecycle. Follow along in our demo series to learn more about the V12 Network application, and feel free to complete our How Can We Help form to speak with a Versus 12 account executive.